Today on Cooking with Peter, we're going to be making Huevos Rancheros. Huevos Rancheros. It's a beautiful tortilla with refried beans and egg on top, as well as salsas and a whole cast of curry. Oh, and avocado too. It's going to be delicious, absolutely delicious. Stick tuned. We're doing Huevos Rancheros on Cooking with Peter. Thank you for watching. Love you all. This is turning out delicious. Absolutely delicious. Look at my beautiful eggs. See my beautiful eggs? Aren't they pretty? How pretty they are. And we're making Huevos Rancheros today. I've shown you the process so far, but what we're going to do now is assemble. Assemble, assemble, assemble. So, thank you for staying tuned. Huevos Rancheros for lunch happens now.
We're not going to go back 24 hours.
Oh. Time for lunch. That's right. I'm going to have my Huevos Rancheros. Yes, it's going to be delicious. And of course, everything goes better with a glass of wine. So this is lunch. Huevos Rancheros. There is the tortilla. There is the sofrito sauce. The beans with cheeses, of course. My 2 fried eggs. And then avocado. And some pepper. And some little salt. Little salt. It's going to be delicious. I know it. It's going to be delicious. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. Thank you for watching. Thank you for caring. Thank you for watching Cooking with Peter. If you care to, like. If you want to make it, even better. If you love me, you'll comment. You'll comment. If you really love us, you'll subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for Cooking with Peter. It's very good. It's gonna be delicious. This is my lunch. Talk to you real soon. Bye.